if you want to lock apps on your Google Pixel 9, so there are different methods of doing this, and let's start with the newest one, which is a built-in method. It works only on Androids after Android 15. Open up your settings, scroll down to your security and privacy. Here we gotta locate our private space, verify that it's us, and let's press setup. It will take like half a minute to set it up. Great, give all the necessary permissions. Sometimes we need to skip account. If we don't do this, we won't be able to back up or download apps and music from Google Play. I'll skip it for now, you can log in. So you can use either a screen lock, which you have, or choose a new lock. I'll use a screen lock, which I have already. Great, let's press done. So now we gotta scroll down to our private place, touch here, and boom, we enter here. Now we can press install and sign in. Either add up more of the applications. Then when you're leaving, simply press lock. It's gonna be left, tap here, it's gonna be opened. So you can add here all the applications. Those gonna be the copies of the original apps which you have on your phones with their own data, with their own everything else. All right. Also, the second variant is to use your third-party app. Open up your Play Store and let's search for AppLock Pro. Let's press install. Let's press open. Now we're to create a 6-digit PIN. Press create. Verify your 6-digit PIN. Press save. Now let's give all the necessary permissions. So tap on the application, tap on the switch here as well. Press OK. Give the permit, press allow. So here's a list of locked and unlocked applications. So you can jiggle with them. For example, we want to lock our calculator. However, we want to unlock our camera. So here are your settings. You can customize some lock animations and everything else. I recommend you going through it yourself. So let's try open up our camera, which is unlocked. And for example, let's try open up our calculator. And as you see, it locked. And basically that's how this application works. And I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.